Good morning, Saugus. I'm Owen Gatlin, and today is Thursday, May 2nd.
And I'm Wes Cunningham, and this is SNN. We start today's show with sad news.
Just before 6 p.m. on Tuesday night, former University of Northern Carolina student 21-year-old Tristan Andrew Terrell shot 6 students, 2 of which later passed away. All 6 victims were all students of the university.
One of the victims, student Riley Howell, confronted the gunman in a classroom building during the attack. Howell charged toward the gunman and tackled him. He lost his own life while saving many others.
We are only 122 days into 2019, and this is the 105th shooting of the year. It's devastating that this is the world we are growing up in.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may now be seated.
Students interested in joining Common Sense, fill out the Google form on the Saugus website by tomorrow.
Auditions for choir will be held next Thursday and Friday after school. See Ms. Holt for more information in the choir room E503.
Theater will be performing Mamma Mia today through Saturday at 7 p.m. Tickets are $10 for students and $12 for general admission.
Now let's go to Mr. Marcia and Mr. Lapata with this week's Athletic Director's Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Mr. Lapata, and this is Mr. Marcia, sorry about that, with this week's Athletic Director's Minute, Mr. Marcia's French. We would like to start by wishing our swimmers and track and field athletes who have qualified for CIF good luck this weekend.
For those who attended the baseball game on Tuesday, congratulations for witnessing one of the most exciting and memorable moments in the long and proud history of Saugus baseball.
Our Chronic Taco Female Athlete of the Week is sophomore Hannah Fredericks. Hannah won the 1,600-meter varsity league title last Thursday with the time of 5:01 and came back later that evening to qualify for CIF in the 3,200 with the time of 11:18. Hannah will represent Saugus in both events Saturday in the CIF prelims at Trabuco Hills High.
Our Chronic Taco Male Athlete of the Week is baseball player Anthony Ramirez. Anthony was down to his last strike in Tuesday's playoff game with his team trailing by 2 runs. Anthony proceeded to hammer a 3-run walk-off bomb to center field to help the Centurions advance in the CIF playoffs.
Nice job, Battle Ram. And our Coach of the Week is baseball coach Carl Grissom. Coach Grissom has led the Centurion baseball program to an amazing season from all 3 levels and our varsity boys team to its first playoff victory in 5 seasons. Good job, boys.
Congratulations to our athletes and Coach of the Week. We do have a home softball playoff game on our campus today at 3:15 and would love to have all of you in attendance to root on our Lady Centurions. Now let's go to our very own Spider-Man, Peter Parker Long, with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Parker along with your sports news. Congrats to boys golf for placing second in Foothill League. They will advance to the CIF Team Championships on Tuesday, May 14th. They were led by senior Chad Wakis, who placed 5th overall in league. He qualified for the CIF Individual Championships and will compete next Monday at River Ridge Golf Club. Congrats also go to varsity baseball. They won 3-2 in the 8th inning. Bobby Garcia threw 7 2/3 innings, allowing only 2 runs down by 2 in the bottom of the 8th with only 2 outs and 2 runners. On Anthony Ramirez hit a 3-run home run to walk it off. They play again today at Paraclete at 3:15. Softball plays in the first round of CIF Division I playoffs today against Buena High School at 3:15 at Saugus. Tomorrow, girls lacrosse plays West Ranch at Saugus at 4:30. Good luck to all Centurion athletes. That's all from me. A few weeks ago, a widely known religious structure, the Notre Damn Cathedral, was decimated in a fire. Here's Nathan Miller with more on its restoration.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Nathan Miller reporting for SNN. Recently, you may have heard of the devastating loss of the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. Erected in 1345, the cathedral saw a grueling demolition following a fire believed to be sparked by the ongoing construction on the building. Over $1 billion has already been raised in support of the religious icon's reconstruction. Ubisoft, France-based game developer, has pledged over 500,000 euros to go towards restoration of the building. Their 2014 title, Assassin's Creed Unity, created a one-to-one replica of the cathedral for their recreation of Paris during the French Revolution. The model will possibly be used in the restoration process. French President Emmanuel Macron has announced a national architectural competition to see whom will be selected for restoring this national landmark. Macron urges for the restoration to be finished within the next 5 years, prompting the question of whether or not the architecture should be recreated exactly or should introduce new designs to fit our rapidly changing society. Either way, the Notre Dame Cathedral marks a significant achievement in human design, and its restoration will be an interesting event to watch unfold looking towards the future. This has been Nathan Miller reporting for the Saugus News Network.
Be able to say that I was able to view this miraculous structure before the fire.
Seniors slideshow at submissions are still open. If you would like to submit, upload pictures to Google Drive and share them with the email listed below.
Seniors interested in anchoring for SNN's annual Senior Week, sign up in room D5 today at brunch or lunch. All 3 anchors must be present.
That's all for today. I'm Owen Gatlin. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Wesley Cunningham. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.